Hi everyone, this is Pamela from LifeinNewHampshire. This is my first cleaning video, so please bear with me. I will get better. They'll get better. I wanted to do it mainly because I have fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome, and it's really hard to get motivated to get stuff done. So I thought if we could get a community together of followers that had fibromyalgia and I could give them motivation and they could give me some motivation back, that would be great. I wish I moved this fast in real life. And hopefully it's fast enough that it's not like totally boring. These are just some daily chores that I have to do. I didn't actually get a whole lot of, real cleaning done because spring is just a bad time for me and I have not been feeling well. But there are certain things that every day I have to do. I'm lucky enough that I don't have to work. If you have fibromyalgia and you have to work full time, I feel really, really bad for you because nothing would get done in my house. When I really started to get bad, I was working for my parents, so that was great. They were very kind and considerate of the issues that I was having. But I've actually had it since my 20s. I started to notice that things just weren't right with me. And I just didn't have the energy that other people did. I just wasn't like a normal person. I'll never be normal. This is just simple green, and I don't like the smell of simple green. So I put peppermint essential oil into it so it smells like the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint. This is my bedroom. Again, nothing fancy. I make my bed every day. It helps to make me feel better, make me feel like I accomplished something. And someday I'm going to have an old-fashioned bedspread that actually goes to the floor. This is me changing washable wee-wee pads. My dog, Bella, which you can see there, she pees a little bit when she's laying down, especially when she's sleeping. So I got those off of Amazon. And my upstairs freezer gets so full. About once a week I have to go through it and take a bunch of stuff downstairs to the other freezers. I don't know if you can hear any of that peeping. It's the guinea geese and chicks that I have. They're in my office behind me. They're very smelly. That was just dough. They make little rolls. I made this one go faster. Seems like I spend my whole day in the kitchen doing dishes. And it's only two of us. I don't understand. would help if I didn't cook. You can tell by the light change that I sat down for a while, took a break. I have to have breaks. I can't stay on my feet. This is the next day, cleaning my entryway, and the first half of the video I forgot to press record on the video camera. Like I said, I'll get better. I just got distracted because Bella went into the bedroom to throw up on the carpet. Like, I don't have enough to do. But that's how it is. You can see I get followed around a lot. The guinea keats are upstairs in a loft. And look at all this. It's mostly feathers. It comes from upstairs. Down from the loft. I'm not sure I'm gonna raise babies in the house again. Ta-da! Taking a break to fold some laundry. If you're having a really bad day, overtired, or you don't feel great, it's always good to do laundry because you can fold it sitting down. See, look at my kitchen, again. Every day, I wake up in the morning and my kitchen's a disaster. Does this happen to anybody else? So you want to see my fibromyalgia brain at work? Let's start filling a bottle into the Brita and forget about it. I can't tell you how many times I've done this. Water everywhere. I just can't wait for it to fill and do nothing. So I go do something else and then forget all about it. So my first cleaning video is almost over. I am going to do more in-depth cleaning. My house needs it desperately. So please subscribe. Please come back and watch more of my videos. They will get better, more interesting. I really want to motivate people.